Hello Hayes Middle School, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to clean up the actual course navigation here at the left. So let's move to the settings of this course and I'll show you how to disable anything you don't want to use with students and enable anything that you do want to use with students here in the navigation for our course. So if you're not going to make announcements here in your Canvas course, simply click on the three dots at the right and disable that feature. It moves it down here to this bottom list. Both of these lists are drag and droppable, so you can put this information in any order you desire. If you don't want students to check grades here on Canvas, you can disable that feature. If you're not going to use discussion boards, disable that feature. If you don't want students to look through the list of available pages, you can disable that feature. Personally, I think leaving pages published for students might not be a bad idea, as they may find what they need more rapidly here than by trying to click through the links that are available in the course itself. If you don't want students to have access to all of your files in the course, you can disable that feature. If you're not going to use modules, disable it. If you don't use OneNote with your students, then disable this class notebook feature. Everyone needs to leave these next three on, though, as those assist me in helping you troubleshoot with your Canvas courses. And actually, students don't see these last two at all in the Canvas app, regardless of whether or not you have them turned on for students. Once you've finished editing this page and rearranging things as you desire, you can come down here to the bottom and click to save your changes. I'll mention just a couple things here that I have turned off right now. You may want to use Canvas quizzes, so you may want to enable that feature and then you can drop it into the appropriate place here on the navigation list. Additionally, you may want to use the collaborations feature, but I think most of the other things that I have turned off here will be things that you want to have turned off here. At Hayes Middle School, with the iPads, Lockdown Browser is not a feature that we can use, so you definitely want to have that one turned off. So once I'm finished editing, I can click Save, and all of my changes will take effect over here, as you can see in the list of course navigation options for my students. For those of you that are new to Canvas, please notice that the little I with the line through it simply means that the content is not visible to students. If you notice that there's an I with a line through it on things like assignments, discussions, quizzes, and modules, it may be not because you've turned it off here in navigation, but because you don't have any assignments, discussions, quizzes, or modules created yet. In this case, I have assignments, discussions, and modules created in the course, but I don't have any quizzes. So even though quizzes shows here in my items available to students, it's not going to currently show up because I haven't created one yet. As always, if you have questions or would like to discuss any of this further, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.